this is going to be a quick one today. Been using the router table, really like it, really getting on with it a lot. But I have been struggling a little bit to take measurements or the height of the actual cutter blade itself. I want to set whatever the height of the blade is. I am tight, but I also believe in sustainability. So what I want to do is I've got bits of scrap wood, as you've seen, and everything like that. And I think it'll take no time at all to knock something up. What you're going to need, scrap bit of wood. You're going to need a ruler. I'm going to use the little router as well. And then I will also be using the shooting board, planer, and you know, the bench hook. Let's take off. Let's get a square edge first. Now what we want is a square edge of that. Okay. Crack on. That's what you should be looking for. No gap under the edge. A bit more, because you want it. Ah, it's nice when your planer is sharp. It's nice. I hardly have to put any effort into it. Go about 100. Right. So, got 4 square edges. Bang. So now we're going to cut a hole in the middle. Now we want to know the thickness of the ruler. Do this with my micrometer because that's all I've got. So you get it in between. You just turn it with the thumb screw and then read off. So it's less than a mil, so 0.85. Right, just find a screw for that. Pull in a treat. So we also know that's gone through, but it's not taken all of the thread. So what we'll do is grind the back of that off. for the best. Ah, look at that, fits like a glove. So it's tight enough to hold its position, but then, and that should be 100mm. It's just about 100mm. And then, if we want to save it, we want to save that location, say we knock it up, take a measurement, and just pop that in there, and then that, solid. Right, depth gauge, easy. So now we should be able to measure that, take this off, pop that down there, 8.5mm. Right, there you have it, depth gauge, and well, saving the planet a little bit. Well, saving yourself a few quid as well. Right, wonderful.